Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal in Australia. First, navigate to the PayPal Australia website and click on Sign Up in the top right corner. You will need to choose whether to create a personal or business account, depending on your needs. For most individuals, a personal account is the appropriate choice to begin sending and receiving money online. Once your account is created, it is time to link your payment methods. You can easily add an Australian bank account by providing your BSB and account number. Alternatively, link a debit or credit card issued by an Australian bank for quick payments. PayPal will make 2 small deposits, often less than $1 each, into your bank account, which you will confirm to complete verification. This step ensures your financial details are secure and ready for use. To unlock your account's full potential and remove sending limits, complete the identity verification process. This typically involves uploading digital copies of 2 forms of identification, like your Australian driver's license and a recent utility bill. PayPal takes security very seriously, so this step protects both you and other users. Verification usually takes a few business days, after which your account will be fully active. With your PayPal account fully set up and verified, you are now ready to enjoy its many benefits. You can confidently send money to friends and family, pay for goods and services online, or receive payments from customers. Millions of merchants globally accept PayPal, making online shopping straightforward and secure. Remember to monitor your account activity regularly through the easy-to-use dashboard to track all your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.